What's up guys, today I'm making a DIY coaster project and I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Pretty short, pretty easy to make, only took me like 10 or 20 minutes maybe. And yeah, here's a little bit of time-lapse footage, or some time-lapse footage. I'm going to explain the stuff though, and yeah, this should be pretty good, so here we go. Man, was that not a fire intro, guys? Anyway, so this is some material I got from Walmart. It was pretty cheap. Like $8 for a yard or two. But here I'm just drawing Sharpie on the back of it so I can cut it out. It's 5 by 5 inches, and I just did that for both of them. So here I'm making sure that the measurement is right. You know, cut once, measure twice. So that way you don't waste material. But yeah, this is a pretty nice project. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot more on the channel soon, and I'll have a big surprise for y'all soon, and hopefully we'll have some really good content come from that. At this point I took a short break because I saw a deer outside.
Thing's acting like a puppy dog.
But yeah, that deer was pretty cool. Anyway, so here I am basically cutting up to the edge of it to make sure it looks neat. Okay, maybe that part's in a second. But yeah, I'm just kind of lining it up, looking at it, and this is where I kind of cut out the jean part of it, and I had some there was some scraps laying around, and they seem to be pretty useful. So here I'm making the inside so that way this part is gonna soak it up, but it will let it breathe because it's on the outside, right? So it's technically 3 layers, but it's more of an overlay on the second, like on top of it. But here I cut them. Here I just kind of like looked up to it and saw what it would be like and how much I needed to cut. So yeah, right here. Low-key guys, guesstimation is really important with this kind of thing. So just like learn that. Go and learn what that means. Yeah, but so basically here's where I was buttoning it up against each other and then folding it, cutting it there. That's where I just kind of figured out how it'd look after I glued it. But I also used the lighter to rim the edge. I don't know what you call it. No, that's not it. That's sewing stuff. But just gluing it on there in the right place, because you know that's the only way it's gonna look good, right? If you glue it in the wrong place, it won't. What am I even saying at this point, honestly? This is a really good YouTube video though, so like you should totally subscribe, because I'm putting like effort or something like that into this. So yeah. Fire. Woo. So yeah. Alright, so this is the part where, like I said, I put it, you know, words. What are words,
Dang,
honestly?
guys, this is actually looking pretty good so far. I mean, look at that seam. Because I was thinking if I wanted to sew it or not, but I thought it'd be cleaner if I just, like, the edges, you know, I forgot the word, but, yeah, that looks pretty clean, so, that, brown and navy blue is always a good combo, just remember that, but, yep, let's go to, the next part where we get this piece on.
Wow, look how aligned that was. Wasn't that so great? Just a fire transition into that fire time lapse. Like, just look at it. This is truly peak content on YouTube. But oh yeah, that's where the deer was. Because the light was off. So yeah. I'm just like talking. So like, how's y'all's day? Y'all doing all right? Like, just subscribe, Loki. By the way, the word is singe.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. This only took like 10 minutes, maybe 20. But honestly, this was super easy to do, fun, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Got like a jean kind of brown on navy type color, but I thought about sewing it, but I don't think it'd really be worth it, and it looks cleaner like this anyway. So like I said, if y'all enjoyed, comment what you think of it. If you have any ideas, like, subscribe, and next videos will probably be about auto upholstery and less, you know, normal stuff. But it's always fun to practice and do little projects. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Later.